1. Carrots. Carrots are beneficial for eye health, and their reputation as an eye-friendly food has some scientific backing. Beta-carotene gives carrots their vibrant orange color. When you consume carrots, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. It plays a key role in forming rhodopsin, a pigment in your eye cells that helps you see in low-light conditions, especially at night. Rich in antioxidants, carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene and lutein, both of which act as powerful antioxidants. These compounds help prevent eye damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cellular damage, aging, and chronic illnesses, including eye diseases. Night vision. Remember the old saying about carrots improving night vision? While it was exaggerated, there's some truth to it. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, which is reversible by supplementing with vitamin A. Carrots provide a natural source of this essential nutrient. Cooked carrots are better. Your body absorbs and utilizes beta-carotene more efficiently from cooked carrots than raw ones. Additionally, vitamin A and its precursors are fat-soluble, so eating carrots with a fat source like a drizzle of olive oil enhances absorption. In summary, carrots are good for your eyes due to their antioxidant content, vitamin A conversion, and lutein levels. While they might not grant actual night vision, incorporating them into your diet contributes to overall eye health. 2. Green and leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are excellent for your eyes. Let's break down their eye-boosting powers. Spinach. Just 1 cup of spinach provides up to 56% of your daily vitamin A needs and all your daily vitamin K requirements. It's also loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, potent antioxidants that help prevent macular degeneration. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a cancer-fighting compound. It also boasts lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against retinal oxidation and age-related eye issues. Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages are part of the same veggie family as broccoli. They're packed with kaempferol, an antioxidant that shields cells from oxidative damage. Plus, they aid in the body's detox process. In summary, green and leafy green vegetables provide protection for your eyes and are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They combat sight loss, prevent age-related eye diseases, and keep your eyes in tip-top shape. Welcome to Focus on Health as we reveal some of the ways you can improve and sustain your vision naturally. The choices we make in the foods we eat have a huge effect in our health, including our eyes and vision. So sit back and see how this information can help you. Please consider liking and subscribing if you learned anything from this video. Now let's continue. 3. Citrus fruits are like a zesty orchestra for your eyes. Let's explore why they're a must-have in your eye healthy playlist. The vitamin C and antioxidants in citrus fruits play a crucial role in slowing down the progression of sight loss conditions like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. This vitamin strengthens your immune system, keeps your skin elastic, and supports overall eye health. Just 1 medium orange provides all the vitamin C you need in a day. Beyond vitamin C, citrus fruits contain a treasure trove of over 60 plant compounds. These include flavonoids, carotenoids, and essential oils. These antioxidants help combat inflammation, oxidative stress, and age-related eye conditions. Citrus fruits are a good source of fiber. A cup of orange segments packs 4 grams of fiber. Fiber aids digestion, supports weight loss, and keeps your gut happy. Oranges are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Healthy blood vessels mean healthier eyes. 4. Salmon and cold water fish. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may reduce the risk of eye diseases later in life. Omega-3s also support tear function, benefiting those with dry eyes. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These helpful fats play a vital role in maintaining eye health. Here's how they save the day. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the eyes and throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various eye diseases, including macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. The outer layer of your eyes, called the meibomian glands, produces an oily substance that prevents tear evaporation. Omega-3s keep these glands functioning optimally, ensuring your tears stay put and your vision stays clear. Those same omega-3 fatty acids contribute to your retinal development. They're like architects building a sturdy foundation for your vision. Research suggests that omega-3s can help prevent or delay conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Other cold water fish. Salmon isn't the only hero in this league. Other cold water fish like tuna, sardines, halibut, and trout also pack a punch of omega-3 goodness. They join forces to shield your retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin found in these fish protect your retina from harmful light and oxidative stress. They're like the bodyguards of your photoreceptor cells. Keep blood vessels healthy. Omega-3s maintain the health of tiny blood vessels in your eyes, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. Healthy vessels mean happy eyes. In summary, include salmon and other cold water fish in your diet to keep your eyes in superhero shape. Whether you grill it, bake it, or enjoy it as sushi, your eyes will thank you. 5. Sweet corn. More than just a tasty summer treat, it's a nutritional essential with several benefits for your eyes. Let's explore why it's such a great addition to your diet. Sweet corn contains carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are essential for maintaining good vision and eye health. Here's how they work. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the retina of your eyes, particularly in the macula. The macula is responsible for central vision and helps you see fine details. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Regular consumption of sweet corn may help reduce the risk of cataracts, a common age-related eye condition. Cataracts cause clouding of the eye's lens, leading to blurry vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin play a role in preventing this clouding process. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is a progressive eye disease that affects the macula. Sweet corn's carotenoids help maintain macular health and may reduce the risk of AMD. Vitamin A conversion. Sweet corn contains beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, especially night vision. It also supports the health of your cornea, the clear front surface of your eye, and helps prevent dry eyes. Fiber and gut health. The insoluble fiber in sweet corn promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. While you might notice corn kernels in your stool, don't worry. It's the tough outer shell that your body can't digest. This fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Sweet corn provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. These nutrients support overall health and contribute to eye wellness. Remember, enjoy sweet corn in moderation and opt for healthier toppings like olive oil, lime juice, or reduced-fat feta cheese. Skip products with high fructose corn syrup, as they can have negative health effects. So savor those golden kernels and keep your eyes smiling. 6. Bell peppers. These colorful veggies are high in vitamin C and contribute to healthy eye tissues. They also contain antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can damage cells. Let me share their vision-boosting abilities. Bell peppers provide the most vitamin C per calorie. This vitamin is excellent for your blood vessels and may lower your risk of cataracts. Other veggies and fruits like bok choy, cauliflower, papayas, and strawberries also pack vitamin C. Remember, raw is the way to go, as heat can break down this essential nutrient. Brightly colored bell peppers also contain vitamins A and E. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin E, along with other nutrients, can slow down age-related macular degeneration progression. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in bell peppers. They protect your retina from oxidative damage. In summary, bell peppers are a crunchy, tasty way to support your eye health. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or enjoy them raw for maximum benefits. 7. Almonds are a simple yet powerful way to supporting eye health. Let's explore why they're a fantastic addition to your diet for maintaining healthy eyes and preventing vision problems. Almonds are a top source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect the cells of your eyes from damage caused by harmful free radicals. By slowing the progression of sight loss conditions, vitamin E plays a vital role in maintaining optimal eye health. High in omega-3 fatty acids, these healthy fats are essential for eye health. Regular consumption of almonds has been linked to a reduced risk of macular degeneration and other sight loss conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids support overall eye health and help maintain proper visual function. Almonds are loaded with antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress in the eyes and reduce inflammation. By contributing to the overall health and protection of your vision, almonds slow the progression of sight loss conditions. 8. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in antioxidants, which play a role in preventing eye diseases. They also support overall health and well-being. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which help our eyes relax, prevent dryness, and protect against vision defects. Blueberries. These violet-hued gems contain anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that bolster collagen structure in the retina. Anthocyanins provide extra vision protection and may even improve vision in people with normal tension glaucoma. They also shield your retina against damage from UV light exposure. Other berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries also contribute to eye health. Their rich color indicates high antioxidant content, which supports overall eye wellness. So whether you're adding them to your morning yogurt or enjoying them as a snack, keep those berries rolling in for happy, healthy eyes. 9. Whole grains offer a wealth of benefits for eye health. Let's explore why they're a fantastic addition to your diet. Research suggests that a diet rich in slowly digested starches, such as those found in whole grains, may help prevent the development of age-related macular degeneration. In a study with mice, slowly digested starches were associated with better eye health compared to rapidly digested starches. Some whole grains, such as wheat, contain carotenoids, which are important for eye health. Carotenoids play a role in protecting the eyes from oxidative damage and maintaining overall eye function. Remember, your eyes rely on tiny arteries for oxygen and nutrients, just like your heart relies on larger arteries. A diet low in fat and rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense foods benefits both your heart and your eyes. Keeping those arteries healthy supports optimal eye function. So include whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread in your meals to nourish your eyes and promote overall wellness. 10. Eggs are a great addition to your diet for maintaining healthy eyes. Eggs contain zinc, which is crucial for the health of the retina, the back of the eye. Zinc helps convert light into signals sent to the brain, allowing us to see clearly in low-light conditions. It increases sensitivity to light, making it easier to detect faint light levels. As a result, we see better in dark or dimly lit settings. Remember, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fish not only benefits your heart, but also supports your eyes. So consider incorporating these eye-healthy foods into your meals for long-term vision wellness. If you learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Until next time, be well.